Hi guys, I will show you cool tricks in Block Party. They can work on Java and on Bedrock. I hope so. But if not, I'm very sorry about that. So first is that you need, when the round passes, you need to stay in one place. Like this time, you don't need to run like these guys, because you have very close to you, so you can use the trick. Second one, look like this and not just run around everywhere. This will help you orient better on the place where are you. So, and the third, don't jump on holes with which you think that you won't survive. It's very helpful because you can fall if you don't orient very good. So these are the first 3-4 tricks. The next one is to not sprint. You're given speed, so don't worry about that. It can help you. For example, like I jumped, this may end a disaster. So don't jump on one blocks or other things. You can jump over one block, but not on one block. So that will very help you. I hope you like the tricks. I think they will help you given some victories, because I have taken victory 5 times, and this tricks really helped me. This will very change your life. I promise. I know I'm bad at, and like me, I did an orient, so you can see. If you need, you can switch off the microphone and just look what I'm doing. But I hate doing this. For real, I very don't like it. Jesus, how much... Bro, there is so much people. And some more tricks, and you can see how I use them in my game. And do you know that when the game isn't start, you fall and you get teleported back? That's because the game didn't start it yet. You can now watch. I used actually my speed bottle. She's this closer. Noob! Oh. That was so funny. Let's go. We can go over this way. Just don't jump. Jumping is very dangerous. Like me right now. So don't try this. At your game, it's very dangerous. You will fall like this, guys. So don't try. Just be yourself and use that tricks, which very actually help. Like I had behind me this thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Now I'm using the tricks fully loaded. I told that they help sometimes, not always. So I will play it right now, and I hope these tricks help you. Bye!